Now you take the mistake normally known to everybody, the Vedantins and every Nayayika. So you say the real silver, Rajata. Rajata is silver. So you say Idam Rajatam. This is silver. This is verbalized. You have verbalized a jnana, no? You say Rajatam. So what kind of structure should be here? Rajatatva has appeared here, no? And it has appeared where? In Rajata. So if it is Tat, then this is Tatvad, Tadvat. The Ta becomes Da because of Sandhi, all right. All right. So Tadvat. So Rajata is Tadvat. So in the jewelry shop you have gone and you have seen Rajata, silver. What knowledge arose? Idam Rajatam. What did you see? Rajatatva. Where did you see? In Rajata. Is not the Rajata the natural locus of Rajatatva? Yes. So the Tat means Rajatatva has appeared in Rajata, which is the possessor of Rajatatva. Now this is Dharma, this is Dharmi. Is not so? So the Dharma has appeared in its own Dharmin. Is not so? So Tadvati means Rajate. Now if you paraphrase, Tadvati means Rajate. Tat prakar, tat means Rajatatva. Raja. Rajatatva. Prakara. This ka is making, transforming the word to be adjective. It's a Bahubri Samasa. And therefore it makes it an adjective. Adjective of Anubhava. So Rajatatva Prakara. Prakara you know Rajatatva. And Prakara ka, the moment I say, it becomes Anubhava. An Anubhava in which Rajatatva appears as Prakara. That will be the meaning of the expression, Sanskrit expression. So Rajatatva Prakaraka Rajate Rajatatva Prakaraka Anubhavaha. Is Yathartha Anubhavaha. Tadvati means Rajate. Tat is Rajatatva. Tadvat is Rajata. In Tadvat. Tadvat means in Rajata. Rajate in Sanskrit. Rajat Saptami Vibhakti. So Rajate. Tat Prakaraka. Tat is Rajatatva. Rajatatva Prakaraka is Anubhava. This Anubhava. So this Anubhava will be called Yathartha Anubhava. So we have known silver as silver. As simple as this. We have known silver as silver. But now, Shukti, favorite example? I saw Shukti, but there was Shukti But I said idam rajatam. What did I say? Had I seen Shukti, I would not have gone to collect, sir. What I saw? Rajata. But in fact, what is there? Shukti. So this is structure. We say idam rajatam, but what I saw is this. Is it a fact or not? This is what I saw. What I saw? Rajatattva I saw, no? In reality, it is Shukti, so I am mentioning it. But what you are naming, what did you say? Very, very carefully, slowly you understand. What did you say? Rajatam. When can you say Rajatam? When do you see Rajatat? When you see Rajatattva? Did you see Rajatattva or not? You saw. And you say idam Rajatam. Now this Rajatattva's natural locus is Rajata, but not Shukti. Shukti is conch shell. Conch shell is glittering like silver. Conch shell. Shukti means conch shell. So now you can see this is the tat now. Tat is Rajatattva now. Here in the real case, Rajatattva. But this is can this be the Adhara of this in reality? But you saw. And you are telling this as Rajata. So this jnana and this jnana are to be separated or not? By which method you should separate? That's what they are doing. They are separating it, that here the Rajat, there is no doubt in anybody's mind that you have seen Rajatattva. Had you not seen Rajatattva, you cannot say idam Rajatam. It's a case of mistake. So we will discover it is a mistake now, little later. We are analyzing that we saw the idam Rajatam, and I want Rajata, Pravritti, Jnana, Pravartaka. And then I came here, oh my God. Then we immediately what? No idam Rajatam. This is not Rajatam. Immediately you deny also. So what has happened now? Nayayika is analyzing that the Rajatattva you saw. That is why you said Rajatattva. Idam Rajatam you saw. To say it is a pain, you have seen painness. To say it is Rajata, you have seen Rajatattva. Can you deny this fact? You have seen it. Is okay? But that is Tat. Tadbat is this. Then what is this? Tad abhavavat. He is enjoying. Jnanananda. So Shukti is now, Tat means Rajatattva. Rajatattva abhava exists here. So Shukti is Rajatattva abhavavat. Vat is possessive suffix, So it possesses Rajatattva abhava. So tadabhavavati now. locative. In tadabhavavat. This is tadabhavavat. So in tadabhavavat means shuktau. But what prakara, what dharma jnana you had? So tat prakaraka jnana. Anubhava. So a locus where absence of tat occurs, in that locus you are seeing tat. So you are seeing x as y. X is Sukti, y is Rajata. So where we have knowledge of x as y, it is Ayathartha Anubhava. And where you have knowledge of x as x, it is Yathartha Anubhava. This fact has been presented in analytic language in this way. So these are the two definitions of, one is of Yathartha Anubhava and another is Ayathartha. Now you tell me honestly, if you are familiar with this kind of analysis, will it not help you in understanding any discipline? This is the outcome of this system. This is the goal of this system, to train you to analyze thought, human thought. And all that we are doing is only analyzing language, you see. Tadavati tat prakarakah anubhavah yatharthah. Is clear? Saiva prama iti uchyate. There is another name given to this, Yathartha Anubhava. So Yathartha Anubhava is known also by another name called Prama. Yatha Rajate Idam Rajatam iti Jnanam. So when in the real silver, you have knowledge, this is silver. This is knowing silver as silver. In technical terms, you are knowing silverness in its own locus. Tadabhavavati, tat prakarakaha, tad abhavavati, okay? This case. Tad abhavavati, tat prakarakaha anubhavaha ayatharthaha. Saeva brahma iti uchyate. So you have Brahma or Yathartha Jnana or Aprama or Brahma. So for wrong knowledge you use Brahma, error, illusion, whatever. Yatha Shuktau idam rajatam iti jnanam. In Shukti, actually it is in Shukti, but you are calling idam rajatam. This is rajat. So knowing x as y is a wrong cognition, and knowing x as x is a right cognition. So in order to establish the reality, it is necessary that we identify what is a right cognition and what is a wrong cognition. The content of a right cognition will be real, and the content of a wrong cognition will be unreal. So, philosophy is a journey towards truth. Philosophy teaches you the method of reflecting to arrive at the truth. And therefore, interested in this kind of analysis. Since in our lives we meet both Anubhava, Yathartha and Ayathartha. And Yathartha Anubhava alone can help in understanding reality and positing, claiming reality. Therefore, we should be in a position to distinguish Yathartha Anubhava from Ayathartha Anubhava. And this is the method adopted by Nyaya Vaisheshika and developed by Navya Nyaya in a very precise way. So, what is Satya? What is truth? That which is the Vishaya of Yathartha Anubhava. The content of a Yathartha Anubhava is true, and content of Ayathartha Anubhava is false. Ayathartha Anubhava saw us Rajata, but it was Shukti. But Yathartha Anubhava saw us Rajata, and we could find it is Rajata. We could prepare ornament out of that. So, to arrive at the reality, we have to take recourse to Yathartha Anubhava, true cognition, Prama. Now this Yathartha Anubhava, therefore, is, now he is continuing this discourse. This is of 4 types.